Hola, today I'd like to talk with you a little bit about articles, definite and indefinite articles in Spanish. There are four words in Spanish that mean the. Those words are el, la, los, and las. Definite articles in English are the ones that mean the, and in Spanish there are four different forms of those words, and you need to use them according to the form of the noun. Definite articles refer to a specific person, place, thing, or concept. For example, the dog or the table, not an unspecific one, but a specific person, place, thing, or concept. In Spanish, all nouns have gender. They're either masculine or feminine. For example, el chico is masculine. That's the word for the boy. And la chica is feminine. That's the word for the girl. Those make sense to us, but you need to know that all nouns are put into these categories, even if there's no clear logic to those categories. For example, la puerta, the door, is a feminine word, but el escritorio, the desk, is a masculine word. El día, the word for day, is a masculine word in Spanish. La noche, the word for night, is a feminine word in Spanish. Often, but not always, the final vowel of a noun tells which definite article to use. For example, nouns ending in O, like libro, which means book, are usually masculine, and they will take the definite article el. Here are some examples of some masculine words in Spanish. El chico, the boy. El bolígrafo, the pen. El cuaderno, the notebook. El diccionario, the dictionary. El amigo, the friend, that's a guy. El maestro, the teacher, that's a guy. El escritorio, the desk. El baño, the bathroom. Nouns ending in an A, like pluma, the word for pen, are usually feminine and take the definite article la. Here are some examples of some feminine words in Spanish. La chica, the girl. La maestra, the teacher, a female. La pluma, the pen. La mochila, the backpack. La palabra, the word. La amiga, the friend, that's a female. La señora, the Mrs. La puerta, the door. La ventana, the window. La computadora, the computer. Nouns that end in the vowel E, like pupitre, or a consonant like lapis, Z, could be either masculine or feminine, and you're going to have to learn them individually. You'll have to memorize whether these nouns are masculine or feminine so that you know whether to use el or la, los or las with them. Here are some examples of words that end in E that could be either feminine or masculine. El pupitre is masculine, it's the word for student desk. La madre is the word for the mother. El restaurante, masculine, the restaurant. La clase, the word for class in Spanish, and it's feminine. Here's two words that end in R. El señor, that's the word for Mr., and la mujer, the woman. Nouns are marked for gender, whether they're masculine or feminine, but also for number, whether they're singular or plural. The door, la puerta, if you make it plural, becomes in Spanish las puertas. The noun adds an S, just like in English, or an ES, sometimes, just like in English, and the article changes to the plural form as well. That's a concept we don't use in English. So you have the word el libro, which means the book. When it's made plural, you have to use the plural form of the article as well, los libros. And el papel, which means the paper, when it's made plural, becomes los papeles. So let's see if you can guess the plural form of these words. El chico, los chicos, el maestro, los maestros, el borrador, los borradores. El borrador is the word for eraser. You notice that it ends in an R, a consonant, so you add es to make it plural. Let's try these. La lección, las lecciones, the lesson, the lessons. Again, it ends in a consonant, so you have to add es to make it plural. La silla, the word for chair, becomes las sillas. And la chica, the word for the girl, becomes las chicas, the girls. See if you can guess which of these definite articles you would use with the word amigo. El amigo. Libro, el libro. When it's singular, el libro. In addition, there are 4 words in Spanish that mean a. Those 4 words are un, una, unos, and unas. Indefinite articles are the words that mean a, an, or some in English, and in Spanish, un, una, unos, unas. Indefinite articles refer to a non-specific person, place, thing, or concept. So instead of the dog and the table, it's non-specific, it's a dog, a table. We're not sure which one the speaker is talking about. Un chico is masculine and it means a boy. Una chica is feminine and it means a girl. Unos chicos is masculine plural. Now we would translate that some boys, and unas chicas is feminine plural. We would translate that some girls. English never uses a plural indefinite article. This form is translated with the word some into English. Unas chicas is some girls. What is the plural form of these words? Un libro, a book, would become unos libros, some books. Un chico, a boy, would become unos chicos, some boys. Un amigo, a friend, would become unos amigos, some friends. What is the plural form of these words? Una pluma, a pen, unas plumas. Una regla, a ruler, unas reglas. Una chica, a girl, unas chicas. Remember, the plural forms are translated in English by the word some. Unas blusas, some blouses. Unas chicas, some girls. So which of these 4 indefinite articles would you use with the word amigo? Un amigo, a friend. Ventana, the word for window. Una ventana. Palabras, the word for words. Unas palabras, because palabras is plural. Now let's change these noun phrases to their plural form. Una prueba is the word for quiz. Unas pruebas. You have to change both the article and the noun. Un polígrafo. Unos polígrafos. El pupitre, the word for student desk. Los pupitres. La silla, the word for chair. Las sillas. Las reglas. Now let's go backwards and do the singular form. To make it singular, we'll have to change las to la and reglas to regla. The word for pencils is los lápices, the pencils. When we change it to singular, we're going to take the los and make it el. And this is a little bit of a different word. Lápiz in the singular, it ends in a Z. So when we made it plural, we changed the Z to a C and added ES. So that's all about definite articles and indefinite articles. Pause and stop and take notes as you're preparing for your test and doing all the topics for this unit. Adios.